Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to unlock a Nissan Altima with a dead key fob. Start by locating the mechanical key inside your fob and remove it carefully. Next, find the small slot or cover on the driver door handle and insert the key to unlock the door. Keep the area clear, use steady pressure, and avoid forcing the lock to prevent damage while you prepare to replace the fob battery. Begin by pulling the small release tab on the fob to remove the mechanical key. Inspect the driver door handle for a hidden slot or removable cover that reveals the lock cylinder. Insert the mechanical key and apply steady, even pressure while turning to unlock the door without forcing it. Once unlocked, open the door slowly and check for any resistance or unusual noise in the lock mechanism before proceeding to replace the fob battery. Open the fob housing and replace the battery with the correct type, observing polarity markings to ensure proper installation. After closing the fob, stand close to your Altima and test the lock and unlock buttons to confirm remote function. If the remote still does not work, try the mechanical key method again to enter and consider reprogramming steps or a spare key from your dealer or locksmith. Keep the new battery handy for future convenience and reliability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.